In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Watch Dogs Legion, FPS drops, and stutter. So first thing you want to do is go to settings here. Go to graphics. And then make sure you enable this option. Now find the game over here in this list. If you don't find it, then you can add the .exe folder and click add. And then once you find the game, you will basically select the high performance. So select the high performance option and then turn this on. Now go to CMD, run as administrator, and over here you want to type in ipconfig space/renew and then press enter. And then ipconfig flush DNS. And then ipconfig register DNS. Then you can close this down. Now go to device manager. Make sure you update your display adapters. So right click and then click update. You can also update them if you have like an app, like an NVIDIA app. If you have something similar to this, you can go to drivers and then update it from here. And this should fix it.